Beetroot Semolina Pudding, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dessert recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snack recipes and one of the most nutritious of the beetroot recipes and one of the most unique of the semolina recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the evening snacks recipes. Today we're going to make beetroot semolina pudding. The ingredients are 50 grams of beetroot, peeled and cut into pieces. Now put in 25 grams of ghee into the pan. Let it get heated. We can call it clarified butter too. Spread the clarified butter in the pan. Now put in the beetroot pieces. Salt the beetroot pieces thoroughly. Thoroughly saute and mix. Keep on sauteing. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. After that, we can take off the flame and let the beetroot cool. Now put in the beetroot pieces into the grinder and close and grind well. Put in another 15 grams of clarified butter. Let it melt. Spread it in the pan. Now put in the raisins, salt the raisins till they puff up. Keep on sauteing. Saute thoroughly. Once the raisins puff up, they can be taken off the pan. This is done in low flame so as not to burn the raisins. Take off the pan and onto the plate. Now put in the cashew and salt. Till the cashews are a golden brown. I've taken 15 grams of cashew. Salt till they are a golden brown. And once they are golden brown, they can be taken off the pan and onto the plate. Now put in around 25 grams of clarified butter. Spread it in the pan. Now put in around 100 grams of semolina. Salt. Salt the semolina. Until it becomes golden brown in color. Salt the semolina for around 2 to 3 minutes. Keep on sorting. Add the beetroot that we ground earlier to the semolina. Mix thoroughly. Put in 75 grams of sugar. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Pour in 50 grams of water. And let it cook. Let it boil and let the water evaporate. Keep on stirring until the mixture comes off the sides of the pan. Now we can let the mixture cool before putting it in the mold. Into the mold which we have oiled, put in 1 or 2 nuts and 3-4 raisins. Now put in the mixture that we made into the mold. and press it in. This is the final Beetroot Semolina Pudding, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dessert recipes and one of the most unique of the Semolina recipes and one of the most different of the beetroot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the sweet recipes and one of the most nutritious of the snacks recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.